In a little over a week, Jerome Powell will be in front of the stage talking to the crowd with his long, boring speech, and he will be coming to the decision. Should rates be cut or should they stay the same? A lot of traders are already betting on this market. It is priced at a 97% chance of no change, and 3% of traders think that there could be a 25 BPS cut. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I am trading this rate cut, some stuff to look out for. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, if you guys do want to take the same trade as me, I use Bullpen's Polymarket Pro terminal. I found it to have the fastest transactions, quickest fees, and it works the best for my strategies. So for starters, we had an amazing potential entry that I posted about on my X. If you guys aren't following my X, I post trade ideas there all the time. You should definitely give it a look. As you guys know, Trump was threatening legal pressure on Jerome Powell if he didn't cut rates. Right here, we had, you can kind of see with the chart, we had up to 97% chance of rate cuts, and then it dropped all the way to 93% chance. So when I saw this, I said, hold on guys, we have a free 7% scalp here. I ended up entering on the no chance right here at 93 cents. And, I'm holding until FOMC. We're going to make a free 7% on this trade. Now, if you haven't already entered, these 93% chance trades still do make a lot of money. Okay, you guys have to think about Polymarket trading and trading in general as, not like a get rich scheme. The whole point of markets, whether it be crypto or prediction markets, it's to beat the overall market, right? We're trying to beat the S&P 500. We're trying to get better than, 10% or 15% yearly returns. And that's super simple to do if you were disciplined and if you were smart about your trading. A lot of traders, they think that they should be going for these crazy 500% wins, when really, if you just compound 3% wins every few days, you will make a lot of money in these markets. If you want those crazy 100x returns, this is not the market for you, okay? Go to meme coins, go get rugged like 10 times by the same insiders. This market is not for you. If you want to actually be profitable trading Polymarket's prediction markets, you need to be steadily stacking up your wins, okay? You cannot be going for 100% wins every single day because it just won't happen. You'll lose all your bankroll within the first week of trading, I can assure you. If you guys do want to learn a very profitable strategy that has made me a lot of money over the past few weeks, you guys can go right here to my last video. It talks about all the ways that I'm literally stacking like 10% wins every 15 minutes, okay? So if you're stacking wins every 15 minutes, even if they're small, they add up, and you can be making, like I said in this video, $450 a day on Polymarket if you're smart and if you have the willpower to keep going through some potential losses. But to summarize how I'm trading this Fed decision rate, I'm going to be taking the yes on the no change, a free 3% trade right here, or if you were following my X, you could have caught a 7% trade right here. That's going to be it for today's video. If you guys do want access to Bullpen, link will be in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like, drop a subscribe, follow if you're on Twitter. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.